name is James Walker. I'm the President and CEO of Ares Strategic Mining. The ticker symbol is ARS, and we trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture. So this is the first time I've done this. This is talking through a press release that's coming out today on Wednesday. And we're just talking through, the press release concerns the end of the delineation drill program, our second one. And so I've got this green screen in, just behind me, so if you look down here, this is the first drill program we did with all the grades fitted to all the drill holes here with concentrations in red, for instance, at 80% plus and orange at 70% plus CAF2. This top drill program, this was the second delineation drilling we did on the site. This is all within our permitted mining area. And so the purpose of this second drill program was it became very obvious from the first drill program that there was an enormous ore body that was likely connecting a historic mine, which is here, with the known mine that was here. And the purpose of this drill program was to work out the extent of that ore body and what was there. So we weren't expecting it to be this successful, but every single hole we put into the ground churned up a lot of fluorspar. And so we actually ended up with a lot more fluorspar from the second drill program than we did at the site we were anticipating to mine at initially. And that completely changed the mine plan. So this was going to be a 250 ton a day operation that we were going to ramp up over time. And now that we've got this enormous ore body, it becomes an open pit operation. So operational costs are going to be way lower. And we've managed to, because we have this new information, we're able to get the mining engineers to double the capacity of planned production. So we've gone from the 250 ton a day mine plan to the 500 ton a day mine plan now. So essentially with lower operating costs. So I mean, long-term prospects as far as profitability go are way better thanks to this. So just to give you an idea of what we achieved. So the purple pit is an historic mined out mine, but like the only bit that's been mined out was this section here. As you see, that's empty. They never had the capability because they were doing it very artisanally. But yeah, that keeps going all the way down, right to the bottom of, and it's still open at depth at that point. So we know that it probably extends likely 40-50 meters down at the very least. There's an approximate length just based on geological features. So to the left of this you would find the mining site we'd anticipated starting with, but what we also dug up, apart from finding out the purple pit hadn't been completely mined out, was these other ore bodies. And these are all high grade as well, and the good thing about fluorspar is you can visually tell it's high grade just by looking at it, because either by the consistency or the color is a good indication always of the grade. And so just ignoring the low grade around it, we found a lot of high grade. A lot of high grade that's likely going to come back from the labs at about 80% or more CAF2 fluorspar. The lower grades here, just surrounding the pit, they're probably in the region of about 60. But this basically means that this entire area can basically be mined out with a feed grade of about, anticipated to be about 65% according to the histograms we put together. So it's going to be a very rare operation where you have a 65% pure feed with so much of this high grade in it, but it just massively reduces the operating costs again. And yeah, we were very, very, very happy to find this. So this will give you a 3D visual idea of what we found. This here is the original mining site that we had anticipated mining out. And if you look at this much larger fluorspar block that we found here, this is what we found in the new drill program. As you can see, it's bigger, and the high grade is all at the top too. So all at the top here, and so when we open pit it, I mean the plan will be we can get this high grade out, throw it straight into the mill, the crushing circuit, the flotation, and we can pull out very quickly a high grade product that's with a very large margin on the product too. And the good part is, because these are very, very close together and all fall within the permitted mining area, it's just this one big open pit operation, and we don't need to mess around with things like adits and anything like that. So yeah, so this concluded the drill program now, and so we're reassessing the mine plans, and the mining engineers are just working on changing around these new developments. But an excellent find. This was an excellent news release to put out there, because we didn't anticipate finding something this massive. We'd actually anticipated doing different drill holes at different sites around the permitted area to prove up smaller deposits, but it wasn't unnecessary. It was unnecessary in the end, because we had this enormous ore deposit right next to the initial mining operation here. So I hope that explains the new press release, and and thank you to Zim2 for arranging this video talk through of the press release. Thanks very much, everyone.